Good morning everybody. How are you all? Good? Okay, I'm also good. So babies, we have our art and craft class today. Let's begin it with the date first. Today's date is 1st October 2020. Okay, September month has gone. Now the new month has started, that is October. Okay, October is our 10th month. 1st October 2020, day is Thursday. Okay, and we are doing how to draw different kinds of cars. Okay, they are different vehicles. We are going to learn how to make it. Okay, so let's begin. So you are going to write down today's date and day. Okay, now and then you will write down the topic. Okay, so first of all we have to make these circles. How many circles are there? 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12 circles we have. So I am going to make 12 circles. Okay. This is circle shape, okay? Now we are going to make our first car. Okay, so how to draw it? First of all you have to draw a line like this. Okay, then from this point you are going to make a curved line. You can like this. From this side also you will make it like this, and then we are going to make a C. Alright, then you know how to make D this way, and then one line for the one straight line from this side. Okay, and here our first car is ready. Okay, now I am going to draw taxi. They almost look same. Okay, so same way we have to draw line, sleeping line, again curve line here from this side also, then join these lines and then make a curve line. Okay, okay, now a line here, straight line here, then a box. See, make 2 standing line, 2 sleeping line, again 2 standing line, and then join them. Okay, and this is a taxi, so I am going to write taxi here. Okay, now I am going to draw an ambulance. So again we have to draw a sleeping line, then one straight line from back side, and then a curve line, and then you have to match it like this. Okay, you will get this shape. Again a small curve line from this side, and then you have to draw a line from here to here, this way, and again a parallel line here, and draw some lines for the window. And this is a beep thing, no, with the red light, and this is a sign of ambulance. So, you know how to make this addition sign like this. Okay, so our 3 cars ready. Now I am going to make this truck. Again we need 2 wheels, then sleeping line. Okay, now what will you do? You will make a standing line here. Okay, then one more standing line from this side, and join these lines. Now a slant line like this, and then join this line from here to here. Then one more line. Here it is ready. Isn't it simple? Now I am going to make this crane. Again, what will we need? A sleeping line. Then one rectangle, one big rectangle like this. One small rectangle from this side like this. Okay. Now again square shape. Then you need to draw a two slanting lines like this, and then this hook. Again make a standing line and then this hook, and from here again you have to draw a slant line, sleeping line, and one more line here. So again our crane is ready. Now I am going to draw a van. Again sleeping line, curve line, join them. Same you will do one more time, one more sleeping line, slant line, and again one more sleeping line, and 1, 2, 3. So babies, they are ready. Now what you can do, you can do the outlines with this black sketch pen, and then you can do the, if you want you can do the coloring also. So I am just drawing the outer lines like this with the sketch pen. If you want you can draw, you can fill the colors also. Okay. Okay, so are you going to try it at home? Taxi. Wheels are crane. One rectangle, one more rectangle, square shape, two slant line, and a hook. And our crane is ready. Now then ambulance. Now one more vehicle. So here we are done with this activity. So how do you like it? If you want you can color them also. Okay. So this is all for today. I hope you like it. Have a nice day. Thank you.